How to delete the Wink account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can delete your Wink account, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. If you'd like to go ahead and then basically delete your Wink account, it's actually quite very simple to do so, because all you have to do is just go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the Wink application here and just make sure that you're signed into your account. After that, come to the profile icon from the bottom right of the screen. So once you come to this option here, at the top right you'll find the gear icon. Make sure to tap the gear icon here. Once you come to the gear icon, which is the settings option, scroll down and here you'll find the option called delete my account. So you can tap the delete my account option that you can find here, and as you tap on it, just select any of the options, select delete my account, and you just type in delete in order to confirm it over here. And once you type in that word, tap the delete option and your Wink account will get successfully deleted. And this way you'll be able to delete your Wink account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.